Yeah, what's up, what's up? Good day everyone, it's your lovely friend again. As you all know, Olatunji Samson Adeola, aka cityhitz.entertainment. As you all know, the movement is all about music and business promotions. And you know, this is 2024. I just want to say Happy New Year to you guys for seeing me again. And if you have not been following us, I still want to say welcome to City Hits TV. Right on our channel, what we're going to be doing this year is just going to be about music. We're going to be talking about the entertainment industry, gossips, and after that we're going to be throwing lights on artist spotlights, and from that also we're going to be having the music business tips about the music, and on the other side also we're going to be having tutorials where you can learn how to make money from your music. So I want to say thank you to you guys for following us to this moment, because if you are seeing this video, I just want to believe this is not the first time, and if you are just watching us for the first time, I want you to follow this. I want you to follow us on this so that you can have a benefit of our services. Our services are impeccable and always about how you create wealth, you know, make money from your music, from your passion. So this year we're gonna be holding one very aspect that is so important to us, which is the music distribution. What is music distribution? Music distribution is the process of you sharing your songs into top stores worldwide, you know, stores that are known worldwide like Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, Tidal, and some other platforms like that, like iHeartRadio, so that when people stream your song in large quantity, you see the amount of streams right in your dashboard. So what I want to tell you artists right now is, if you've not been making money from your music, that can make you get tired and you wouldn't know what to do about it also. So right now, if you want to really learn the free method that I've created that can really help you, and go through the free practical classes that will guide you on what to do, what I want you to do right now is, you should know this opportunity is for limited people. It's not for everyone. It's for people that are so much interested in having to become the master of their art. So if you're interested in understanding how you can make your music, then after making your music, how you can license and distribute your music so that you start making money from your music, bro, it's just a free road for you. Hit the bar link below, then we'll see you on the other side. Peace.